comes from the Sima area, Switzerland. This type of dairy and beef cattle has a stocky body shape with muscles, and the color of the fur is reddish-brown, brick red. Meanwhile, the face, below the knees, and the tip of the tail are white. The weight of an adult male Simmental cow can reach 1,150 kilograms, while as a source of animal protein is currently increasing, along with increasing public awareness of the need for protein originating from animals. One effort to meet the need for animal protein is with the increasing population, production, and productivity of beef cattle. One of the local breeds of beef cattle. Aceh cattle breeding is still based on local farms in Aceh province, with a semi-intensive rearing system, small-scale business with very simple management, no use of technology, and unconcentrated locations spread across all corners of Aceh province. Aceh cattle are one of the local livestock genetic resources, which have significant body sizes of Aceh cattle. As explained above, Aceh cattle are classified as working cattle and beef cattle, which are physically larger than Sumatran cattle. Aceh cattle raised at the Indrapuri Superior Livestock and Forage Animal Breeding Center have been uniformed in coat color to brick red and olive in accordance between one reed. The need for beef as a source of animal protein is currently increasing, along with increasing public awareness of the need for protein originating from animals. One effort to meet the need for animal protein is with the increasing population, production, and productivity of beef cattle. One of the local breeds of beef cattle,